Alright guys, we're back. We got our Urgenex 50Cs. We got to run these batteries down. They've been in the car for a week or so, and I want a fresh charge for them when I'm doing our track time. Hopefully everybody's had a great week. Everybody's doing good, smiling. That's all you can do in this world, right? So I'm just gonna ramble and talk. My chickens are getting bigger. Got a couple of them are ready to start laying. Now, for those that have seen our other videos, these HBXs all got some brushless upgrades, and that's what we're gonna do the head-to-head for. But we just haven't had time between family stuff and all that other good jazz. So, we got. Speed up, get our steering right. Dual rate is a little high. Anyways, so you see we changed the track around a little bit, added an extra jump, and also added a jump going this way. Now this is one of Lauren's first rigs. She always loved it, and she was reluctant on me upgrading it, but after the other day she said, yeah, let's do it. So we're doing it. Those more testing out the track. I need a little edge when we're racing. Lord always wins. So we'll be doing a head-to-head by the weekend probably, if she's feeling better. Oh, I love this car. Yep, pretty sweet. With any luck, I'll get the $29.95 out as well. Now the way I did the new track layout, we can do it long way, or I can move those out of the way, change it around so that come back in. Lots of possibilities. Whoop. But yeah, these Urgenex batteries have done me right. I'd like to thank them. Good sponsor. Always taking care of me. Just like Winter's Evening Barons and CNHL. All good companies. Cheap advertisement. Anyways. Hopefully you guys dig, because this thing's awesome. Now, like I was saying, this has got a 35 amp Surpass Hobby ESC in it with a 2845 4350, I think kV it is. It's 43 something. But you see, it's got lots of power. I'm just learning the track. So we're gonna be doing one last push on the house. You can see we got a bunch of stuff going on. Tomorrow we'll be getting our last batch of material so we can get the far side painted and all that good jazz. So by the weekend, hopefully we'll have a update on Mama's house. All those guys in the Poor Boys, hopefully we'll get a decent run. I've been running, but most of it's been just, I've been still on 2S and really haven't beaten that 62, so it's more learning the car, breaking the car, getting it right. So my next run I'll be doing 3S, and we should be able to get at least close to that 70 marker with any luck. Sorry I haven't been around much, but real life's more important. Lots of birthdays, lots of family time. So I want to thank all my subscribers and viewers and commenters and all the guys. Without you, I wouldn't be doing this. I did get in one of my merch samples. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll get that out later. Who knows? Trying to get faster on this. Ooh. Oh, that's a good jump. I really do like the layout. As everything has, you know, I'm due to change. Lauren really wants to get these out on the ramp, so that's kind of what I'm dragging my feet on mostly. She likes that ramp. I need to get her like a, you know, 1/8 scale or something. Not that 1/5 is just too much. Just for her to use on the ramp. Maybe get a 6S or a 4S guy. Like a, I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe Christmas or something. Anyways, I'm digging it. This thing's so good, never falls. Well, I don't want to say never because you've seen it. As I say that, every time. Oh, anyways. Just running this down to charge. Ah, I like that. Actually, let's go up top so you can see what it looks like from up top. Do a couple laps up there. Hey, chickens! Chickens are everywhere. Rabbits over here. Don't mind them dirty pen. That's why she's out here. Anyways. Hopefully this footage is coming out. I really didn't look at the camera. Kind of like that because I can cut out that long part when I'm doing videos. You can come in and out. Go back the other way. Ah, that's always a problem. Anyways, we'll get that out next. Not sure it'll be in this video. We'll see. I'll probably throw them up separate. But I'd like to thank Urgenex for some awesome batteries and HBX for making a great car. We're looking into some more of these under 100 or 150 Rangers. If any of you guys want to see something, let me know. Because it's that time of year to get, before the weather really changes, to get a couple rigs in to evaluate. Ah, so cool. All right, one more jump. Come on, you can do it. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you. And have a great day.